My tenant is not paying rent in Baltimore, Maryland. What's going on, everyone? This is Courtney Rollins from Aqua Team Home Buyers. And today, I want to talk to you about what happens or what you can do if you're in this situation as a landlord and you find that your tenant is not paying rent. So let's jump right into it. So you may have become a landlord because you're using the funds to replace your income or to supplement your income, or you're trying to build your wealth. And for many reasons, your tenant may be unable to pay your rent. Maybe it's during these crazy times of COVID, they've lost their job or they are injured or something has caused where they're not able to pay you. Perhaps they're even taking advantage of the times that we're in. So what can you do if you find yourself in this situation? Because you still need to pay that loan or mortgage that you may have, or fix repairs that are taking place there. And even if you don't have a loan or mortgage, there's still taxes and insurance. And for many of landlords, you may be expecting to need that income to supplement your daily living expenses. So what can you do? Well, there's a few things briefly I want you to think about as you're moving forward. One, document everything. Make sure that every conversation, every transaction is documented in a proper way so that you can use this material in the future if you ever need to present or defend yourself or your position. Also, it's very important to understand the tenant situation. I don't think any of us have come in here to be the slumlords or to be in the business of kicking people out. So having empathy and understanding the tenant situation may help you and the tenant find reasonable solutions to the situation. Also, be sure to consult your jurisdiction, your to know the laws. If you're in Baltimore, make sure that you're checking out the tenant laws, know the tenant's right, know your rights as an investor and a landlord as well, so that you can follow a step. There are some things that you need to make sure you're careful when you're doing, such as, is it okay for you to take partial rent? What are the implications of this? How do you file for eviction if you need to? What are the steps there? What can you expect so that you can position yourself properly? Also, apply for aid. There are many packages out there, along with coming from the federal government, along with state and municipalities that can support you if you find yourself as a business owner, which you are if you're a landlord, that can help protect you or support you during these times. You may also be able to discuss with your tenant cash for keys. And again, you want to make sure everything is documented where you're actually find that, hey, this loss that I'm receiving every month, it actually serves me better to go ahead and pay my tenant to be able to move out to avoid any long-term issues with uh, eviction or court procedures, and allows them to have a little bit of income so that they can move into their next property and you take the keys and are able to find another tenant that's able to fulfill the obligations and set forth in your lease. You also may find direct to sell direct to buyers, such as Aqua Team Home Buyers, or many other folks out there who are real estate professionals who are able to pay you directly in usually in convenient ways that allow you to for us to take on the issue or the problem or the burden that is there. So here's just a few of the ideas or suggestions for you to do if you find that your tenant is not able to pay their rent. Now, if you want to talk to us at Aqua Team Home Buyers, feel free to contact us at the number here, 443-419-7979, or visit us at www.atbuyhomes.org to learn more and to hear more. We hope to hear from you and we wish you well. And again, let's ride this wave together because rising tides lifts all sails. This is Courtney Rollins signing off. Take care.